Alright, we didn't get to record Brandon's installation with this new turbo. Not even new turbo, but like it's like basically like an extension or something. Oh, basically it makes the turbo flow more air, so it sounds louder than what it was before. We're gonna see how this is. How loud is it? Oh,
it's not that loud though.
That's what he always says, but it ends up being loud.
It's cool. It's nothing crazy. But it's not like.
Sounds nice.
It's not what I expected, you know. It makes the pops louder.
But the little already sounds nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. That sounds pretty nice. Yeah, you're right. It's not super loud.
It's not crazy. It's
not, but you could definitely hear it pretty loud.
That's cool. It
took you what, like 3 days?
Yeah. That's just because I was doing it all at my work.
Yeah, your own pace.
Yeah. Maybe.
Ooh, that sounded aggressive turbo. Oh shit! I think it sounds super nice though. Damn.
That's art.
Huh?
That's art. You hear it?
Art.
You hear it?
You can hear it closer right here by the walls.
I gotta get rid of the pops.
Nah.
You know what? I wonder what it sounds like from the outside.
Yeah, I'll get you some clips outside. Go this way. But like when you take off, just start off like slow where you can hear it, and then however you want. So you can hear the full turbo.
It's cool.
It's probably louder outside. Alright. I'm gonna hear it from the outside now. Oh, sorry. Damn, you can still hear it from a good distance. You can't hear it from all the way over there, but sounds good. Couldn't hear the turbo because he was just pounding it with his exhaust instead.
I don't think you can hear it.
It'll sound better for sure. Everything's gonna be blocked out. That's what I'm saying. At night it's gonna be better, but yeah, we'll see. If not, yeah, that's about it. You know. Nah. Oh, you can hear it right now. Went down. Nah.
See, if I rev it like that, it feels no boost.
Yeah. There you go, now you can hear it.
Yeah, bro, I was like... See, I gotta wait for the cooldown. That sucks.
Until later, fool. It's too hot right now.
I don't know how long the cool. I know it's programmed